Wow. It's my bike. It's brand new. You haven't seen anything on here yet except for that seat. That's because I love this seat. That's my baby. Okay. So I got a new frame. Professional Impala. Nice, I love it. It's really low. 6.8 seat tube, I think. Integrated seat clamp. Nice and low. It's like a 21-inch top tube, maybe. I don't know. The bars are pretty beat to shit. Just got them from a friend. Yeah.
What kind are they?
Sunday tall tees. White. Kind of scratchy right here and a little bit here. A little bit. Not too much. My prized possession. Back hub is a Profile Elite. It's loud and scary. Back rim is animation runway. White spokes. Black spokes. Was that for both wheels? The pegs are United. What are they?
34 slims, I think.
Yeah, something like that. They're heavy. I don't care because I like them. I didn't know how to snap a peg. Been one before. My front hub's a King Floridian. You're not, man. You are. Not nice, love it. Shadow rim, I don't really know the name of the rim. I'm trying to think of it, I can't really remember off the top of my head. But Shadow, love it. Good size. Kink Empire forks. Really great forks. Really good geometry. I don't know if they're Profile cranks. Great cranks. I love these cranks. They're strong. They connect to the sprocket, which is what I like, so I don't end up breaking the sprocket. So I've never done that one before.
Wise.
Actually, I did like 2 weeks ago. Kind of made me mad. Shadow cranking bones. So a 5mm stick, and I would love to have a thick sprocket. So yeah, that's my bike. Oh, big section seat. Random seat tube. Who the fuck knows what this is?
What about your stem and headset?
Oh, it's a Profile stem. And it's a Sins headset. I really don't believe it's necessary to go off and buy some name brand $5,000 headset and it'll do the same exact thing. I love it and it's beautiful. Oh yeah, long neck grips. Okay. How's your twisted pedals?